Today's penny list came out. As you can see, I am the first one at the store this morning to try to find some of these penny items. Okay, y'all, I am in the Family Dollar. Thanks to a subscriber, they told me about the brown dot clothes being 97 cents, and in fact, they are. Um, they got like a whole lot of little stuff. Kids' clothes, 97 cents, y'all. Brown dot clothes. Look at these perfectly good jogging pants for a little girl, 97 cents. Looks like little boys jogging pants, 97 cents. Then they got the crop top sweatshirts, 97 cents. And they also got these. These are super cute as well. And you can make this an outfit. Hold on. Let me see. The purple pants right here with the little shirt. See? Put together a whole outfit, 97 cents a piece. You cannot beat that. You can grab these, put them up for birthdays, holidays, wintertime, whatever the case may be. They still got hats down there. I don't know how much they are, but hold on, let me see. They got work smocks in here. They want $2 for work attire. If you work in a office and they don't worry about what color y'all wear, like doctor's office, dentist office, you can get some uniforms out of her. $2, y'all. Yes, $2. What else they got? Okay, they got some dresses or whatever, plus size, brown dot, 97 cents. These are cute. They got this cute little shirt with the little strings on the side as well. Let me see. The little kids' clothes, 97 cents for like hoodies. What's this? Oh, they said $5 for this. I don't know about that. And these are gray. I don't know how much they are. Then they got like little blank wrap scarves, 97 cents. Let's see, what are these little kids hats? $1.97. And this fell. This is too cute. Spud, little baby's outfit. But yeah, y'all, clearance on top of clearance in her. Check out your local Family Dollar. Well, I already got me an outfit. Found one of my daughters an outfit, and I made it a 3-piece, y'all. They got sweatshirts in her with the sweatpants to go with them. I just don't like these colors though. Maybe if they had black or something, but hey, 97 cents. You cannot beat that at all. So when I get home, I will show y'all what I got from her, the Family Dollar. And pennies, I looked up on some pennies, not a lot, but I will show y'all those also when I get home. Okay, y'all, I came around to the laundry aisle. They have Arm& and Hammer buy one get one free. Laundry detergent 36 to 50 ounce. Power packs 21 count. Our scent boosters 24 ounce. And as you can see, shelves is getting cleared, y'all. Buy one get one free. And here is one of the items right here. 24 ounces. This is a big bottle, y'all, of Arm& Hammer. I'm about to see and the other ones they got are these ones right here. The sensitive loads. But you know, I had got some for 3 something dollars. So I'm not really looking for no Arm& and Hammer right now. But yeah, I was just trying to let y'all know, buy one, get one free. What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another explosive video. In today's video, I got penny items from the Dollar General plus a deal you don't want to miss out on. And I also went to the Family Dollar and found some 97-cent clothes and some cheap Gain laundry detergent. So before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's hop into this video. And if you are watching and not subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do. It won't cost you a thing. It will not break your finger. It will not hurt you. So let's get into these Dollar General penny items. Hey y'all, just because y'all see me doing deals on a daily basis, don't get it twisted. Whenever I heard there is a penny list out there, I go try to hunt these items down so I can give y'all real live visuals and UPCs so y'all can get out there and find these items as well. Okay, y'all, I wasn't even looking for these penny items right here, but I looked up and found them. Starting off with these lady flip-flops. These are what they look like. And it says ladies flip-flops. And here is the UPC on those. And they say SS right here, 22. So they will not say 25 on them because I noticed the flip-flops that say 25 are this year's and they are not a penny. Sorry. They got to say 22 on there. Okay, and then I found these little Paw Patrol little sandals for boys. They are super cute. I want to give them to my grandson, but his foot is not quite this big yet. But I can always save them for him, and they say SS22 on them as well. And here is the UPC. And if I'm going too fast with these UPCs, please pause your video so you can write these down or put them in your DG app. But yeah, Paw Patrol, y'all. Then on today's penny list, we had a lot of condiments, y'all. I did not look up and find nothing but these three Heinz Kansas City barbecue sauces. And I had to physically push the UPC code because this little barcode does not pick up on the Dollar General app for you to scan it. So you have to push it in. And the date on these say 8/28/24. I don't know if these are like the date they had to sell these by or if they are bad. Cause usually the expired stuff, I throw it out. I just pick it up to give y'all visuals and stuff. These were a penny as well. I was not looking for these particular items. Just going around the store and scanning items. But hey, a penny is a penny. I do not discriminate. Then I also found these hair coils. They were a penny as well. And here is the UPC to those. And then I found this cute little pen, and I love collecting pens, but it's just too cute. It got like a little game on there, and it says novelty pen, and it was 10 cents. It wasn't $1, but still, dang, my camera is not focusing, but still at 10 cents, you cannot beat that when it was $1. So y'all, these are the penny items. and 10-cent item that I got from Dollar General today. Now I want to show y'all a deal that I did, and y'all, I have been looking for this stuff. Finally found it in a DG Market at that. I didn't even find it in a regular dollar store. So let me show y'all that deal. Okay, y'all. This is the deal I wanted to show y'all. I've been looking for this. This deal is awesome, and yeah, it is totally awesome. You get a big Olay. You buy this, and it's the 27 ounce, and get the 6 bar of soaps for free. And I think the soaps, they are $8, and the body wash is $8.50. So yeah, they are buy one get one free, making each one of these $4.25 each, y'all. You cannot beat that at all. I mean, where can you go getting buy one get one free Olay products? Nowhere. So check out your local Dollar General and get up on this deal. And it is a coupon that you have to clip in the Dollar General app in order to get this buy one get one free deal. So let's move on to the smoking hot Family Dollar 97-cent clothes I came up on, and some laundry detergent. Okay, y'all, here are the clothes that I got from Family Dollar, and I will be straightening them out so y'all can see them. But first off, I had did a video back a couple of weeks where I found a lot of clearance stuff at Family Dollar, and I had purchased these house shoes Nightmare Before Christmas, and they have the star on them and say $10, but these are actually $1, y'all. Yes, $1, and I forgot them in the store, and I went in there today, not even thinking about these shoes whatsoever, and the manager remembered me, and after I checked out, she was like, "Here's your bag from last time," and I was like, "Oh, thank you so much. I forgot all about these," and I called that day that I left them, but nobody answered, but yep, she gave them back to me, and I'm gonna give them to my son. Just some little house shoes he can throw on, and they were $1, regular price $10, and they have the red star on them, y'all. Yes. Okay, let's get into this fake Lululemon that I picked up, y'all, for 97 cents a piece. Look, my little fake Lululemon sign on the back, y'all. Okay, I got these pants. This is for me. I picked it up. It was 97 cents, but it's like some little workout pants, and not only the pants, but it comes with a jacket, y'all. Yes, a jacket, and the jacket has the hood on it and everything, y'all. It's so cute, and these were 97 cents, y'all. 97 cent brown dot, and it was, look, hold on, the tags all crumpled up. $14, y'all. Yes, 14, and the pants was 12.50 brown dot. But yes, I did the daggone thing today in Family Dollar. Now let me show you an outfit I got one of my daughters, because one of them, I already got them an outfit, but it was before they even marked it down. Okay, hers comes with the little top, the little tank top thing, and it was 97 cents as well, and original price on that was 7, and it's a brown dot, and it comes with the pants, the little pants. They look like this. They was 97 cents, and they were $10. And it comes with the jacket as well, y'all, with a hood on there. So, and the tag for that is right here, 97 cents, and it was 12.50. So it went from the original price, it looked like underneath, to 5 something, and then to 9 something. So I think I got it from my other daughter when it was reduced to like 5. But 3-piece outfit, y'all, 97 cents a piece. You cannot beat that. Now, once since we already seen the clothing and I showed y'all some that they had in the store, let me show y'all the laundry detergent I ran across. And this wasn't even intentional. I wasn't even looking for this laundry that was on clearance whatsoever. Plus, in the app, it is not ringing up on clearance. Okay, y'all. This is the Waterfall Delight 42 count. Tell me why. Okay, I was trying to use they have a, what is it, $3 off coupon for these game flings, and they are $13 and you get 3 off, making them 10. So that's the deal I was trying to do. So I picked one of these up, scanned it. It said 13 slash, and then it had the $10 on there. So once she rung it up or whatever, I'm looking at my receipt, and it shows on there that it was what, $8.97. But the sad part about it is the $3 coupon is not attaching, y'all. So if it was, I would have got these for 5 something dollars. But I'm not even tripping. I'm glad to get them at $8.97. And for some reason in the DG app, it is showing that the Waterfall Delight 60 count is the one that's on clearance. But obviously it's not, because these are 42 count. And I'm going to show y'all the receipt or whatever showing where I got it for $8.97. See, Game Flings Waterfall Delight 42, $8.97, regular price 13, and yeah, $8.97, y'all. But that's what I got these for. And like I said, I'm not even worried about that $3 coming off, because I'd rather pay $8.97 than $10 any day. So keep your eyes open for the Waterfall Delight 42 count gain. But y'all, that is the end of the video. I wish I had more to show y'all, but today in my area it's getting up to 108 degrees, so I wanted to hurry up and get in the house so I can get this video out and not fall out from heat exhaustion or whatever. But yeah, y'all, ripping and running to these stores in the heat ain't no joke. I don't care if you got a big air conditioner in your car. If it's hot outside, it is hot. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. If you are watching and not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, it is free. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.